Thailand-ZOOMLINE Machinery Company Limited is a high-tech road construction machinery enterprise which is located in Nanyang Longsheng Industrial Park. We have kept the style precise, realistic, and scientific for elaborating products and services to make customers satisfied. Now we are committed to being well-known brand ZOOMLINE and becoming the leader in the production of professional asphalt mixing plant, recycling asphalt plant, corollary equipment supplier. The leading products include stationary asphalt mixing plant, mobile asphalt mixing plant, continuous run mixing plant, which are widely used in highway, city road, bridges, and airport. Our asphalt mixing plants have got CE, ISO, EAC certificate. Up to now, our asphalt plant products have been sold to Russia, Cambodia, Bangladesh, Egypt, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, Pakistan, Georgia, Indonesia, Belgium, and Thailand, etc. The mobile asphalt mixing plant developed and designed by our company, which has the characteristics of convenient mobility, stable capacity, and reliable quality. It is basically designed for easy installation and disassembly, which is convenient for frequent transfer from one project site to another. Every component is an independent unit, which has separate electrical cabinet, which means wires connection from one component to another can be finished quickly. Mobile asphalt mixing plant can greatly save installation time and cost, and has won unanimous praise from customers. Mobility means greater flexibility and allows you to move the asphalt mixing plant to the construction site as easy as quickly as possible. ZOOMLINE ZAPM series mobile asphalt mixing plant capacity is available from 80 TPH to 160 TPH. So far, we already exported 80 TPH, 100 TPH, 120 TPH, and 160 TPH to Thailand, Cambodia, Bangladesh, Uzbekistan, and Costa Rica. We are committed to manufacture quality products at competitive price to all our customers.